I wanted to take my family's music legacy ahead. So I used to keep thinking, how can I do this? Because everyone in my family, my mother's side, they're all singers. If it's mom, my aunts, my grandfather, my great grandfather, my brother Siddhant, sister Shraddha, everyone, mere alawa, everyone can sing, but I can't sing. We were thinking, what could we do with the video? And I wanted to actually capture the essence of what we've gone through. So if you look at the video, we have a concept that goes from black and white to color, showcasing what COVID is and what we've gone through in black and white, and then for a hopeful tomorrow, which is color, and how it was before. एब्सोल्युटली, ये तो रिस्पॉन्स तो बहुत ही ओवरवेलमिंग है. एंड एक्चुअली ये मैं क्रेडिट मैं मेरे पार्टनर को देना चाहूँगा, पारस मेहता, क्योंकि उनके वजह से ये गाना हुआ है. ही हैज़ एक्चुअली सीन दिस सॉन्ग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ऑन अ रील, और उन्होंने वो कंपोजर को फ़ोन करके बोला कि प्लीज़ ये मुझे गाना पसंद है, आप प्लीज़ हटाइए और मुझे भेजिए. एंड देन ही टुक इट आउट, ही सेंट इट टू मी, और उन्होंने बोला कि देखो, हमें ट्रिब्यूट करना था, हमारे फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर्स को ट्रिब्यूट करना था, तो वी हैव टू डू दिस ट्रैक. और फिर मुझे भी पसंद आया, फिर हम लग गए कि कैसे करें. वी वेंट एंड अप्रोच्ड एवरीवन, and one by one everyone said yes, everyone loved the song, and the rest is history. So see, I actually first with Dhamaka Records, I wanted to take my family's music legacy ahead. So I used to keep thinking, how can I do this? Because everyone in my family, my mother's side, they're all singers. If it's mom, my aunts, my grandfather, my great grandfather, my brother Siddhant, sister Shraddha, everyone, mere alawa, everyone can sing, but I can't sing. So I used to keep thinking, how can I take it ahead? And my film released, Sab Kushal Mangal, and in which I had debuted as an actor. And as soon as it released, pandemic hit. Or phir, everyone went into their shells, and we were trying to think of what to do, what is happening, how do we follow this protocol. And this time I internalized and I reflected कि अभी ये टाइम है कि मुझे इस पे काम करना है, म्यूजिक लेगेसी को आगे बढ़ाना है. और फिर धमाका का जन्म हुआ. धमाका रिकॉर्ड्स को लेके फिर हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि हमारा पहला गाना क्या है. We wanted to, because in the pandemic I started this, I wanted to take it ahead and do like a tribute to the frontline warriors. So keeping that thought, we did the tribute, and it was written also in such a way. और बस मोटिवेशन हमें होप के बारे में करना था, और वी वांटेड टू स्प्रेड यूनिटी एज वेल. तो ये बेसिकली इनिशियल थॉट था गाने के बारे में. Obviously we want to work with accomplished artists, composers, music directors, and so on and so forth, but I also want to give new talent a stage. I want to give them a chance to shine. So Dhamaka Records' actual aim is to promote new talent as well as work with accomplished ones as well. So honestly, यार, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था इतना बड़ा होने वाला है. We had a thought, and I wanted to work towards it. I started calling everyone individually, and everybody loved the thought. Everybody loved the tribute aspect of it for the frontline warriors. And ऐसे लोग जुड़ते गए, and I think it kind of resonated with them as well, And just one by one, we started locking them, and they came on board, and it just became a legendary track. And I don't think I could have ever wished or even dreamt of something like that, because this is like a mammoth of a track for my first track for my record label. So क्या है कि actually Lata Aji, she is my grand masi.
Yes.
So I wanted to somehow, wanted to start my record label with her, because she's not singing, she's not sang for very long and all, but just her voice. If I could get her voice to start my track, to start my record label, it would have been like unbelievable. And that happened. And working with everyone, I mean, the way they are, their style of singing, if you talk about the actors, you talk about the singers, everyone is sounding so good. And I just have immense gratitude, they believed and they gave their voice and I could release the track. I would tell Nital Pawar ji, please share it with everyone, taki ye trend ho. Because the power is with us only. We like it, we share it, and that's the only way it's going to trend. So I'm so fortunate that everyone is liking it, and I'm overwhelmed with the response. I just hope that everyone shares it also, and it is actually growing. It's really growing and it's picking up as well. So yeah, man, fingers crossed.
Yes,
Abhi tak kuch 5.5 million ho gaya hai. Now just want to go for the 10 million mark and then see if you can go ahead as well. That's amazing. वो है ट्रेंड मेरे लिए. इनका जो कमेंट है वो है ट्रेंडिंग. Too good, yeah. Amazing. And actually, it's not only me or it's not only my partner Paras. Everyone, if it's Dilshad, the music director, if it's Kashish, the lyricist and the composer, even Mohit, who is the arranger, then the mixing and the mastering is done by Nitish. Everyone who has literally come and made this dream possible. I really thank everyone. And if all of us weren't on the same wavelength, I don't think this would have happened, or this wouldn't have kind of reached the level it is. Again, this was very personal to me, and we were thinking what could we do with the video, and I wanted to actually capture the essence of what we've gone through. So if you look at the video, we have a concept that goes from black and white to color, showcasing what COVID is and what we've gone through in black and white, and then for a hopeful tomorrow, which is color, and how it was before. So that was the concept of the video. And with my better half, like you said, I do everything with her. Like if it's the direction, or if it's thinking about work, talking about work, production, everything. Like me and her have that brainstorming, we have that connection, and I'm just blessed to have her by my side. Absolutely, yeah. Matlab, when I did my first film only as an actor, I wanted to leave the pressure behind. I wanted to just do what I have to do and concentrate on that. But it's easier said than done, because there is that baggage, it is that pressure. But you have to, I try not to think about it, and I just try to do my best and leave the rest to God. And if I start comparing myself with my mom or what she's done, it's over. Then I'll have to shut this laptop and leave only, I think. So I'm not in Blur. It's our home production that is producing the film, and my dad is a producer. So I have done the acting bit, which I've always been motivated by mom. This music legacy now I've started, which is Dhamaka Records, and I'm also going to be doing stuff on my dad's front, which is the production bit. So for me, I don't really have a set goal or a set career path, because I love movies and I love music. Even if it's editing, if it's directing, if it's acting, if it's producing, I want to do everything. Obviously, the direction part is going to take time, because you need to have immense experience to do direction, because that is something that is like unbelievable. Once you take on a project to direct, you have to be well equipped, and I don't think I am. So that is going to be left on for the future. I mean, it's just too heartbreaking. Yeah, I really don't have any words to express what I'm feeling, what's going on in the world. And it's not only this, it's climate change. There's so much happening in the world, and I feel that everyone personally has to do their bit. Even if it's a voice, if it's 10 or if it's 100, and it matters. So you definitely should talk, and you should be a part of this positive movement and do your bit as much as you can. As a human being, you must do it.